ናይ ቃላት ፍልጠትካ ኣበየናይ ደረጃ ኣሎ እጂ ሓንቲ ፈተና ዳልየለኹ ኣብ ነፍሲ ወከፍ ደረጃ ሓሙሽተ ሕቶ ኣለዋ ሓሙሽተ ሰከንድ ድማ ንኽትምልስዎን ነፍሲ ወከፍ ሕቶ ክገድፈልኩም እየ ምናልባት ግዜ ተሓፂርኩም እታ ቪድዮ ፖዝ ጌርኩም ፈትንዋ ኣብታ ድበፃሕኩማ ወይ ሕቶታት ዝፀገመኩም ለቨል ድማ እሳናትኩም ለቨል እያ ማለት እዩ ቅድሚ ሽዱሽተ ለቨል ግን ሓንቲ ናይ ስታርተር ወይ ድማ ፕሪ A1 ንብሎ ኣሎ ናይ ጀመርቲ ዝኾነ ብኣ ክጅምረ ድሕራይ ለቨል 1 2 ኢለ ስካዕ 6 ክበፅሕ level 6 ዘለዎ ቃላት ትፈልጦም ትኾንካ ናትካ ደረጃ advanced እዩ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ንኺድ question number 1 what is this picture A house B dog C car and D apple the answer is D apple mele ማለት እዩ question number 2 what is this animal A dog B cat C bird D fish the answer is B cat ድሙ ማለት እዩ question number 3 what color is this A blue B red C green and D yellow the answer is A blue ሰማያዊ ማለት እዩ question number 4 how many count the objects and choose the correct number A 2 B 3 C 4 D 5 the answer is B 3 معناته سلسته ስለዝኾነ question number 5 what day is it today is the first day of the week A Monday B Sunday C Friday D Wednesday the answer is A Monday معناته the first day ቀዳሚት መዓልቲ ስለዝኾነ ቀዳሚት መዓልትኻ ሶንያ Monday ማለት እዩ okay እዚ ፀናሕናዮ level ናይ starters ወይ ድማ ናይ beginners በሃል ሕጂ ናብ A1 ክንሰግር ኢና A1 ወይ ድማ ብlevel 1 beginners ዝፍለጥ question number 1 what is the opposite of full A light B open C empty D heavy the answer is C empty full ሙሉእ ማለት እዩ opposite ወይ አንጻር ስለዝብለና ዘሎ empty empty ها ጥርሑ ማለት እዩ question number 2 which word is a place to make food a place to make food A kitchen B library C bedroom and D bathroom the answer is A kitchen معناته a place to make food ምግቢ ትሰርሓሉ ክሽነ ይበሃል or kitchen question number 3 what is another word for child A adult B baby C teenager D teacher the answer is B baby another word for child child ኦላዩ baby ها ኦላዩ question number 4 what do you call something you wear on your feet A shoes B hat C shirt D gloves the answer is A shoes something you wear on your feet feet እግሪዩ ኣብ እግርኻ ትኽደኖኻ ጫማ A shoes question number 5 Which word is an action? A. Big. B. Happy. C. Run. D. Fast. The answer is C. Run. Actions لازبلنا مبياي مالتي. Okay. حنجي خادنا level 2 نسجرينا. A2 يبهال ويدما elementary. Question number 1. What is the synonym of start? A. Break. B. Finish. C. Begin. D. Stop. The answer is C. Begin. Synonym ማለት ተመሳሳይ ቃል ማለት እዩ። Start መጀመሪያው begin ከዓ መጀመሪያ። So the answer is C. Begin. Question number 2. Which word means not far away? A. Nearby. B. Long. C. Small. D. High. The answer is A. Nearby. Which word means not far? رحق زي كنا near ويدما nearby نبلو. Question number 3. What does clean mean? A. Dirty. B. Neat and tidy. C. Old and broken. D. Bright and colorful. The answer is B. Neat and tidy. Clean صوري مالتي. Neat and tidy ها صفوف مالتي. Question number 4. Which word describes the weather when there is no rain? A. Dry. B. Wet. C. Cold. D. Cloudy. The answer is A. Dry. When there is no rain, ዝናብ ተዘየለ dry. Dry ካ drop ማለት. Question number 5. What is another word for speak? A. Look. B. Talk. C. Sing. D. Listen. The answer is B. Talk. Speak مزرابي. Talk مزرابي. They have similar meaning. Okay. نجحنا بlevel 3 ويدما B1 نسجرينا. Pre-intermediate نبلو. Question number 1. What does hesitate mean? A. To decide quickly. B. To pause before making a decision. C. To completely ignore something. D. To agree without thinking. The answer is B. To pause before making a decision. Hesitate ማለት ሰጋመጋ ባል ማለት እዩ. Question number 2. Which word is the opposite of strong? A. Small. B. Light. C. Weak. D. Soft. The answer is C. Weak. Opposite አንጻሪ. አንጻር ናይ strong, weak. Strong ሓያል, weak ድኹም. Question number 3. What does interrupt mean? A. To stop someone from speaking or doing something. B. To continue without stopping. C. To repeat something often. D. To argue about something. The answer is A. To stop someone from speaking or doing something. Interrupt, مخلف ማለት. Question number 4. What does suggest mean? A. To offer an idea or a plan. B. To demand something strongly. C. To avoid giving an opinion. D. To explain something in detail. The answer is A. To offer an idea or a plan. Suggest ማለት حسب مقرب ማለት. Question number 5. What is the meaning of ordinary? A. Extremely important. B. Very unique and rare. C. Not special or just unusual. D. Complicated or difficult. The answer is C. Not special or unusual. Ordinary ማለት ተራ ነገር ማለት። Okay. ጅሃ B2 ወይ ድማ level 4 upper intermediate ንብሎ. Question number 1. What does perceive mean? A. To notice or become aware of something. B. To completely ignore something. C. To change or alter something. And D. To agree or support someone. The answer is A. To notice or become aware of something. Perceive ማለት ምስትብሃል ማለት እዩ. Question number 2. What does anticipate mean? A. To misunderstand something. B. To expect or predict something. C. To avoid thinking about the future. And D. To change something immediately. The answer is B. To expect or predict something. Anticipate ክንብል ከለና ሓደ ንፅበዮ ወይ ንግምቶ ነገር ማለት እዩ. Question number 3. What is the opposite of expand? A. Begin. B. Increase. C. Improve. D. Shrink. Answer is D. Shrink. Expand مكفح ወይ ምስፍሕፋሕ ማለት እዩ. Shrink ከዓ ምንኣስ ምጭባጥ ማለት እዩ. Question number 4. What does consequence mean? A. The result of an action or decision. B. A cause or reason for something. C. A solution to a problem. D. A mistake or error. The answer is A. The result of an action or decision. Consequence صعبين ማለት እዩ. Question number 5. What does obstacle mean? A. A final decision. B. A plan or strategy. C. A new opportunity. D. Something that blocks your progress. The answer is D. Something that blocks your progress. Obstacle ማለት እንቅፋት ማለት እዩ. Okay, the next one is level 5 ወይ ድማ C1 ንብሎ. Question number 1. What does consolidate mean? A. To ignore something. B. To separate things into smaller parts. C. To change something completely. D. To make something stronger or more solid. Okay, the answer is D. To make something stronger or more solid. ነገራት ከተጋጣጥሙ ወይ ከተትርሮ ከተደልድሎ ከለካ ማለት እዩ. Question number 2. What does articulate mean? A. To express thoughts clearly and effectively. B. To argue without evidence. C. To confuse others with unclear ideas. D. To simplify a complex idea. The answer is A. To express thoughts clearly and effectively. Articulate ማለት بنصور ቃላት ጌርካ ሓሳብካ ምግላጽ ማለት እዩ። Okay, question number 3. What does fluctuate mean? A. To become smaller over time. B. To remain steady and constant. C. To change frequently or unpredictably. D. To improve slowly. The answer is C. To change frequently or unpredictably. Fluctuate ማለት ነገራት ክቀየር ከሎ ማለት እዩ። Question number 4. What does discrepancy mean? A. A difference or inconsistency. B. A strong agreement between things. C. A simple explanation. D. A shared understanding. The answer is A. A difference or inconsistency. Discrepancy ማለት ፍልልይ ማለት እዩ። Okay, question number 5. What does adversity mean? A. A fair or equal decision. B. A new and exciting opportunity. C. A positive and happy moment. D. A difficult or unpleasant situation. The answer is D. A difficult or unpleasant situation. Adversity ክንብል ከለና ፀበባዊ ሽግር ማለት እዩ። Okay, so this was the test. ስጋዕ ኣብዚ ብዘይ ፀገም ክትምልስ ተኽኢልካ ናይ ቮካቡላሪ ኣፍልጦኻ ብጣዕሚ ኣብ ፅቡቕ ለቨል ኣሎ ዝበርትዐን ንዝያደ ቮካቡላሪን ከዓ ኣብ ዝመፅእ ቪድዮ። Thank you for watching. ዝኾነ ካልእ ቪድዮ ክስራሓልኩም ትደልይዎ ኣብ ኮመንት ግረፉልና።